Hey everybody, thanks for checking out this video. If you like the content I'm putting out, please like, comment, and subscribe. And hope you like this video. Hey everybody. So I've got an update here on the Shaw RAM inserts. So one thing that I've noticed is whenever you're with these, I've been putting these in here because I put my Ranger plates on, so I've been using these more. With these steel mags, I haven't noticed it on my aluminum mags, but because I haven't been putting them in and out of here. But this part of the magazine right here, if you feel it, at least on the ones I have, it's not sharp, but it has a little bit of an edge to it. Same thing on this aluminum. This is a stainless steel Duramag. This is a aluminum Surefeed. You feel along here, and it has a little bit of an edge, like a squared off angle. Not sharp. It's not going to cut my finger, but whenever I put it in here, regardless of, you know, rocking it in or, you know, see, I'm using the rock in that Shaw recommends. I've been getting a little bit of fuzz down here as it's like shaving or scratching that Tegris material, which is part of the retention system for this placard. Now, I would say that this is a wear item. Like, I could feel in here, and there's quite a bit of, it's like roughed it up quite a bit, whereas the other side isn't getting it. So if you're using metal mags in your RAM inserts, you're going to wear out your Tegris faster. Now, with the Lancers are metal reinforced, but this lead edge here, that's polymer. So I don't think there's going to be an issue with polymer mags in this. Your P-mags, this is all polymer back here, no issue. So just, that's something to keep in mind. Ugh. What's going on here? Just something to keep in mind whenever you're, oh, my locking, my anti, what I'm running into is this little over insertion lug. So whenever you put it into your AR-15, you don't over insert your magazine. It's catching and bunching right here on the side here. Try that one more time. I got it in there, but that maybe I have these too tight. But polymer mags will work in here. Let's see, I don't think. Yeah, I can kind of see. It's. I don't know if I'm going to be able to show you. I don't know if you guys are going to be able to see any of that. It looks kind of shadowy in there, but. This back spine part of your metal mags, I think it's especially on the corners. That's what's, you know, the Tegris is trying to push in to retain, and this is scratching it on the way down. So one thing to keep in mind whenever you're using the RAM inserts, if you're using stainless steel or aluminum USGI mags, it may wear out your Tegris faster than if you're using polymer mags like Lancer or P-mags, which is the ones I have. I know there's others out there, but polymer mags are going to put less wear and tear on your Shaw Concepts RAM insert. The metal mags are going to put heavier wear and tear on your RAM inserts. These are not a problem with the Haley Strategic, because the way the RAM inserts go, they're on the side. The Tegris is on the sides. So when the magazine goes in, it's squeezing them that way. So this is running down the side, scratching the Tigris. With the Haley Strategic M2 inserts, those are shaped like this. So whenever you put the mag in, it locks in like that. So this side metal doesn't make a difference. One thing, one of the selling points Shaw brought up was that their ram inserts with their Tigris on the side would protect your fabric from, you know, your elastic or your whatever this stuff is made out of from AK mags. If you're using those, seems like they're a little bit susceptible to some wear and tear, so there's some pros and cons, give and take there. Whereas the Haley Strategic M2 inserts and the TRMP Placard and their rifle mag inserts, you don't need any special switching. So for Shaw, you need a different RAM insert. These are for AR mags. I would need a different RAM insert for AK mags, 308 mags, stuff like that. The Haley Strategic's TRMP and the single rifle mag pouches that you've seen me use, those are good for AR-15 mags, AK mags, 308 mags right out of the box. So something to think about. I do like this. If you did have an issue with this, it wouldn't destroy the placard. It would just, you may have to, if it wears out, if you're in and out doing a ton of training and you're using metal mags with your RAM insert, whether it's the 3 or the 4 for the USGI, or I imagine it would do the same thing with the 308s if you're using metal mags, you may have to replace your RAM inserts more often. So just something to keep in mind. Hope that helps. Thanks.